The one thing I like about this news is the fact that I googled the man in question, the man where the governor appoint, and I discovered that the man is tested, is trusted, and is capable and can do the job. And that's all that matters. Whether he's Igbo, whether he's Edo, whether he's Benue, the fact that the man can deliver and do the job well, that's all that matters. And that's what we're preaching as Nigerians. That is how we should be. Of what use he be say, they carry work, give man, we come from the state, and the man no doing well. Of what use he be, say they carry the work, give man, we come from the state, and the work, end up well. This is the bigger picture. This is, the Nigeria that we all should crave for. That, regardless where you're from, not minding your state of origin, where you were born, that you are qualified to do a job, and you are appointed, not based on quota by your region, or based on, say, this job is supposed to go south-south or southwest, but make it be, say, you sabi do the work, and they give you the appointment. So, personally, I want to applaud the governor of Enugu State for this appointment. I know, he met a lot of backlash. People said, oh, no, why would this happen? But let me also remind people that in Lagos State, where I live, an Igbo man was commissioner for finance for over 16 years. The man is from Nnewi. I can't recall the name now, but the man from Nnewi was commissioner for finance in this Lagos State under Tinubu for 8 years. Fashola also reappointed the man again for another 4 years or so, if I'm not mistaken. And the man is a tested, trusted, astute accountant. That is, he sabi the work, and that's why he got the nod to do the job. So what does that tell you? That if in Nigeria we look beyond state of origin, if in Nigeria we look first at quality, at intellect, at your ability to deliver, at capacity, and look down on bigotry, tribalism, nepotism, we'll have a better nation. We'll do better, we'll thrive better as a nation, and we'll see results. So, I'm also not saying that we'll get there in a week, a day or two, but I'm saying that as a nation, this is the way forward. This is the only way that the very best can happen. And this is the only way that our lots can be better and we can do better as a nation. If the man can do the job, give it to the man. Forget about where the man is from. When it's good, goodness, they ask where you come from. You go touch everybody. When it's bad things, they ask where you come from. You go touch you. So, in making your appointments as well, forget where you're from. Look at capacity, competence, and ability to deliver. Have a blessed day, fam.